Good morning, class. This is your English language class. So, today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is simple present tense. We have already studied about what are tenses. One more time, I will tell you about the definition of tense, that the tense denotes the time an action takes place, whether sometime in the past, in the present, or will take some time in the future. Clear? So this is all about tense. Now there are various types of tenses. For example, tenses first of all can be of three types: present tense, past tense and future tense. Now in this further we have further tenses are classified as simple present tense, present continuous tense, simple past tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense and so on, like this only. So first one is simple present tense. So now today we are going to study about what is simple present tense. So just look at the page in your book. We must remember that we do not use the simple present to talk about actions that are going on in present. See, the name indicates that present tense. So you may think that it means that in simple present tense we have to write those sentences which are going on in present. But no, class, remember this, that you do not use simple present tense to talk about the actions which are going on just now at present. But for such actions, which tense is used? We use present continuous tense. Okay, we use present continuous tense for the actions which are going on in present, while simple present tense is used when we talk about an action which occurs regularly. Regularly means almost daily or at regular intervals. Clear? So, for example, you can see there what is given. I get up at 6 o'clock every day. So, get up here is what? Simple present tense. Clear? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Rises and sets are simple present tense here. Why? Because always the sun rises in the east and always it sets in the west. So regularly it happens, no? That's why simple present tense has been used here. Now parents love their children. So love is simple present tense. all all the parents love their children. My father reads the newspaper every morning. Here what is being taught, here what is being told, that it is told that my father reads the newspaper every morning, means every morning he reads the newspaper. So that means this action is taking place regularly. So that is why we are using here simple present tense, that is reads here. Clear? All rivers flow towards the ocean. Flow is the simple present tense here. Clear? If you look carefully at the words in bold, means rise, get up, rises, sets, love, reads, flow, all of them are in the simple present tense. Okay, these all are simple present tense. So what is simple present tense talking about? Simple present tense is used when we talk about the actions which go on every day, or we can say that which occur at regular intervals. Okay, at a fixed interval. Clear? Then we use simple present tense. Here one exercise is also given. Let's discuss it. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense. We dash a lot of time sleeping. Spend is given in the bracket. So we have to write the simple present tense of the word that is written in the bracket. So we dash a lot of time sleeping. We spend a lot of time sleeping. Spend will only be the simple present tense here, but there are parts of body that never sleep. Clear? The heart, now in bracket it is written beat, so we will write here beats. Why? Because the heart keep on beating, na? So that means it happens at regular intervals. So we will put S here. The heart beats, the lungs pump air, the brain controls the various organs and even tells you when it. B is written in bracket. B means the form of verb is written in bracket. No, we have already studied in previous chapter that if we have the form of verb to be, then we use is, am, are, all these things. So you, when it is time for you to get up, so do not think that you are not doing anything when you sleep, comma, the human body is always active. Here, now this exercise is over. Rest of the things, with this chapter is also over. The exercises that are left will be sent to you in the PDF. Thank you, class.